Hello, everyone, and welcome to the episode 11 of Form Guru episodes by MakeForms. I am Prateek, founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to take a look at few fields like the paragraph text field, then the spacer, the divider, and the heading fields. These fields are basically used only for formatting and for displaying text elements. This has got nothing to do with the data collection, but to enhance the visual appeal of your forms. So, let's quickly jump into the form creation using our standard form. Uh, and let's name this as formatting fields. So as you can see, that by default, the heading field is always added for you. So you can just go in and let's say it has already added the name of our form here, which is the formatting fields. So if you want to change it, you can like just change welcome to say welcome to make forms, and then you can always select this. You can change the font sizes, and if you want to change the font, you will change it from the right hand side. So let's say if I want to change it to this, and then what kind of font weight do I want to use. So this entire font applies to this element. It is not different for your header and subheader. And then you can do all kinds of formatting. You can change the text color, you can change the background color for this. Yeah, I'm very bad at these selecting colors, but you can center line them, right line them. If you want to link it out to some, like let's say I want to link it out to the website, you can do that. And in the subheader you can enter anything. This is a subheader. So this combination of heading, you can only add just one throughout your entire form. What I will do is I will now go ahead and delete this because we don't kind of need it. So as soon as we have deleted, you can see that the heading element is now available. But you can just have this once, because this is like, you supposed to be used at the start of the form. But you don't, if you don't want to use this, and if you want to just kind of create your own um, paragraph text and do your own formatting, you can click paragraph text, it will be added here. And now you can, let's say I'll do a classic lorem ipsum, and I will paste it here. Now you can go in inside. The first thing I will do is I'll change the line height. Then you can select this, mark it as bold, italic. So this is just like using Word, let's say. And then you can just align the items all this time. Then you can add an link to an external website if you want to. And you can yeah, this is a great use case wherein you can also copy the values from your fields which are above this paragraph text. So for reference, what we will do is we'll add the name, email address. Okay, and this is in fact a better example of how you use a paragraph text. You can do an intent, and so I think I've gone through all the formatting options that you have for a paragraph text. You can again, like, just as similar to the heading tab, you can also change the fonts from the right sidebar, font and the font weights. So for now, I'll just remove this. The purpose to actually copy the lorem ipsum was to quickly take you through the formatting options that we have. So let's say I do this name, and then I can actually select and enter the name field. Similarly, I would say email, and I can enter this email field. So you can always use this below below those fields. Like if you are adding a paragraph text, all the fields above this paragraph text can be recalled, not the fields below it. And you can also use the paragraph text in your thank you page. So let's say if I want to um okay, select this. So there is not a paragraph text field, but you have one by default. So what you can do is that you can actually call this field. So let's say I want to say hey at the rate from full name, thank you for inquiring with us. Okay, so this way you can actually, this is just another paragraph text that you can have. And I was talking about the welcome screen, sorry, not about the thank you screen. So you can add the paragraph text in your welcome screen also. So this is about the paragraph text. Now the next field that we have is the divider field. So let's say you want to add, for example, let's say we add a paragraph text at the start, and we'll name this as personal details, and I'll left align this for now. And then what we want to do is that we want to create a separations. So I will add a divider. Now we'll add another paragraph text here. We'll say business details. You can always create a new paragraph text, or if you, let's say, want to use this one, you can always clone it, and then you can either drag drop it below, or you can also use the arrow keys to move it up and down. So here you can see that we have now used this divider field. I'll once again show it to you. So you can drag it and drop it here. Now within the divider also you've got multiple styles like straight line, dotted divider, and then a big line with the dotted, and then the double line. And then you can also go ahead and change the divider colors. So this is about the paragraph text, the divider field. Another field that we have is, and before we jump to the other field, let's take a look at the same in the design tab. So you can see that we have this over here now. If you want to add some sort of spacing between these two, what you can always do is you can search for the spacer field, edit here, and then in the right sidebar you can adjust the spacer height. So let's say at any given point in time you feel that okay, the default spacing given by MakeForms is not enough and I want to add my own spacer. You can add the spacer field and change the height, and again you can duplicate this and use it. So I think that's all the fields that we've got for the formatting. In the next episode, we'll take a look at the rating field. So that's it for now, guys. As always, I would please ask you to, first of all, like and subscribe. But you can also let me know in the comment section below as to what kind of videos are you expecting. And this is always going to be related to forms. What I will do is I will try to understand your use case and create a customized video for you. So please let me know in the comments. Um, Give your feedback. It can be critical. I'm open to suggestions. So please get back to me with your feedback, your request, and I will try my best to get back to you. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.